Hey guys, so I picked up a couple of those Perrin Wing Stabilizers just to give the stock wing a little more stiffness in the high-speed corners. But instead of leaving them just this boring matte black plastic finish like they come, I thought I'd use some vinyl and add a bit of color to them. And I thought it came out pretty sweet, so let me show you how I did it. I started by scanning both sides of the wing stabilizer to use as a template to trace its shape. I also reverse cut out the Perrin logo for each side. Next, using the vectorized shapes I created, I plotter cut 4 sets out of red vinyl. Then came the process of weeding the vinyl out for each piece. Followed by adding transfer paper and trimming them to shape. Lastly, applying the vinyl to each wing stabilizer. Now that we're done wrapping them, I've gone ahead and applied the included double-sided tape to both ends. I've also measured and marked the spoiler where each fin should go. Now it's time to install them. So that's it. Pretty simple install. Didn't take too much time. And honestly, I'm pretty proud with how it came out. I like the way this looks. Probably doesn't do much performance-wise, but hey, it makes a nice beer rest, so. Until next time, thanks for watching.